Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to pair the MySmartH dimmer switch as well as demonstrate some of its features. But first, let me show you the physical controls. Tapping the touchscreen surface between the two physical buttons first turns the switch on. Pressing the top button increases the brightness. Maximum brightness is indicated by the letter H displayed on the touchscreen surface. Pressing the bottom button decreases the brightness. Minimum brightness while turned on is indicated by the number 1 displayed on the touchscreen surface. Tapping the touchscreen surface then turns the switch off. Now I'll show you how to pair the switch with your phone or tablet. We'll first need to download the MySmartH app, register an account, and log in according to the prompts. Make sure to understand and give the app permission to use the functions that it requires. First, we can go to the Me tab in the bottom right corner to set up home information. Now we can go back to the Home tab in the bottom left corner and tap Add Device. The dimmer switch can be located under Electrical Engineering. Now, if you have separated 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, or you just have a 2.4 GHz network, you can choose Easy Mode. The mode can be changed in the top right corner. If the number 8 isn't rapidly blinking on the dimmer switch's touchscreen surface, then press and hold the surface until it is. And now it should be connected. Now, if you have 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz combined into one SSID, you can choose AP mode. If the letter A isn't slowly blinking on the dimmer switch's touchscreen surface, then press and hold the surface until it is. We'll have to temporarily connect your phone or tablet to the device's hotspot. Its name should begin with Smart Life, followed by a hyphen, followed by 4 random characters. And now it should be connected again. In the device's main interface, we can rename it and assign it a room in the top right corner. From here, we can also turn the switch on or off, adjust its brightness, and additionally, we can set it a schedule. And yeah, that's about it.